Good morning, Tao Elevate family. Actually, nag-start yung Tao Elevate dahil sa love and care sa lahat ng mga resellers. And then ngayon, unti-unting lumalaki ang Tao Elevate because of you sa aming mga Tao resellers. So congratulations everyone and happy year-end sales rally.
Kasi 3 years from now, yung katabi mo na yan, sigurado, ibang-iba na ang buhay niyan!
Company na sobrang ganda ng sistema, sobrang ganda ng culture ng mga leaders kasi dito hindi ka, ang binibuild kasi namin dito mga professional network marketer. Hindi ka lang magiging negosyante, magiging malupit na leader ka pa.
As a leader, ang pinaka-importante sa lahat, focus ka sa success ng nasa ilalim. Masarap mag-network kung ang mga leaders natin sa ilalim masaya.
Ang aming misyon ay matulungan yung mas marami pang tao na kailangan talaga umunlad sa buhay para naman mabuhasan natin ang mga mahirap sa mundong ito.
Into the cold and lonely night, 'cause my heart is bleeding and I'm barely breathing. I'm nothing without our love alive.
Yes, there's money. Ang saya-saya. Kilig-kilig at chip.
A little bit of misfit dancing, a little bit of JoJo. I can't wait till these tunes of mine get me out of this local jam. Get up on that big stage now, show the world just who the heck I am. Elevation, it all goes right. You got something that can change your life. Use that moment just to show your life. Everything's gonna be alright, 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 right, 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 right. Crashing through the sky, alright. I'm screaming to the stars, collide. I'm telling everybody, that's right. We all got the spark, we all got the spark tonight. Take it back the way we are, 'cause that's just the way we are. I'm crashing through the door, well alright. We all got the spark, we all got the spark tonight. They say if you look around for something
dating taxi driver. Ako may dating jeepney driver. Na nung napasok ko po ang ganitong klase ng business, ganitong industry, talagang 100% na bago po yung aking pamumuhay.
Time to turn this thing upside down. Show these people what you really mean. Elevate, you lose your mind. Could it be the big dream you'll find? No more waiting 'cause it's almost time. Every day is gonna be
2 to 3 years from now, sa Philippine Arena na ang Tao Elevate! Naniniwala ka ba na isa ka doon na maghahakot ng 1,000 sa Philippine Arena? Naniniwala ka ba? Kung naniniwala ka, dapat tumatayo ka!
take it back the way we are. 'Cause that's just the way we are. I'm crashing through the door. Well, alright. We all got the spark. We all got the spark tonight.
Okay, yung Tao Elevate po, itinatag natin to, itinayo natin ito para sa mga ordinaryong tao na gusto mabago yung buhay. And yes, nandito po yung Tao Elevate para tulungan tayo, lalong-lalo na po yung mga kapwa natin, OFW, na gusto rin makapag-for good na dito sa Pilipinas, kasama yung family nila na may magandang buhay, hindi iniisip yung kanyang financial dahil meron na silang Tao Elevate na tutulong sa kanya para magbago yung buhay talaga ng kanilang pamilya.
Well, maybe tonight.